Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to all my Kurdish brothers and sisters. My name's Hamza from EFDawah. We're a group of brothers in London who attend Hyde Park Speaker's Corner. And there we present Islam to the non-Muslims who are visiting the park, as well as defending Islam from all the crazies there who challenging misconceptions and things like that. We also challenge the beliefs of the Christians and the atheists whilst there. We then film these exchanges and put them on our YouTube channel, which is also called EFDawah. Now, thanks to one of your compatriots, Brother Hawzan, of Facebook page EFDawah, we have over 40 videos on our playlist with Kurdish subtitles. So this video is just to invite you to come and check out the Facebook page, come out and check out our YouTube channel, inshallah. And should we find that there's big interest from you guys, then inshallah we'll give you a Kurdish channel all to yourselves. Jazakallah khairan for listening. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thanks to Brother Hawzan, and he is from Facebook page EFDawah, subhanallah adeem. EFDawah. Do I continue? We have over 40 videos on our playlist in Kurdish language, thanks to Brother Hawzan, and he's from Facebook page EFDawah. Subhanallah, your language. Yeah? Is that enough? You can blend it on, can't you? No? Oh, come on, man.